Damian Willemse is a South African professional rugby union player who plays for the South African national team, the Stormers in the United Rugby Championship and Western Province in the Currie Cup. His regular position is fullback, but he can also play as a fly half or inside centre. In June 2022, Willemse won the inaugural United Rugby Championship with the Stormers beating the Bulls 18-13 in the final. In October 2022, Willemse signed a new 5-year deal with the Stormers to run until at least 2027. Damian Willemse made his international debut for South Africa in the 2018 Rugby Championship against Argentina at Kings Park Stadium in a 34-21 victory, coming off of the bench and substituting Andre Esterhuizen. In September 2019, Willemse signed for Premiership club Saracens on a 3-month deal to provide injury cover for Alex Good and Max Mellens. He went on to make his debut for the club in the Premiership Cup against Wasps, getting a try assist in the second half. He returned to the Stormers on the completion of his short-term deal. Only months after finishing school, Willemse was included in the Stormers squad for the 2017 Super Rugby season. He was included in a match day squad for the round 3 match against the Southern Kings on 4 March, and he made his Super Rugby debut aged just 18 years, 301 days by coming on for the final 4 minutes of the match. After Willemse's international involvement, Willemse also appeared for the Western Province Under-19 team in the 2016 Under-19 Provincial Championship. He appeared as a replacement in 3 of their final 4 matches of the regular season, scoring a try on his debut at this level against the Sharks Under-19s and kicking conversions in matches against the Leopards Under-19s and the Blue Balls Under-19s in the other 2 to help Western Province finish top of the log to qualify for the playoffs. He was promoted to the starting lineup for their 30-15 victory over Free State Under-19 in the semi-finals and also started the final, where his team lost 19-60 to the Golden Lions Under-19s. His mother, Charlotte Willemse, runs a feeding scheme from their home in Stan to help the local community. Damian is the main financial contributor to this scheme. He is the younger brother of Ramon Samuels, who is also a professional rugby player. They both won the 2017 Currie Cup with Western Province. Samuels has a different surname because he was born before their parents married. In October 2024, Willemse mourned the loss of his grandmother, who he described as his pillar of strength. Willemse made his international debut for South Africa in the 2018 Rugby Championship against Argentina. Willemse was part of the Springbok squad that won the Rugby World Cup in Japan in 2019. Although he played a limited role during the tournament, his inclusion in the squad highlighted his potential as a future star for South Africa. He scored his first test tries against Canada. South Africa won the tournament. He was also part of the South Africa team that won the 2023 Rugby World Cup, playing at fullback. He has become a key utility back for the Springboks, capable of playing in multiple positions.